It's been nearly 5 months since the death of a 12-year-old girl in Enfield, and some newly released documents are shedding light on the case, but there are still a lot of questions. NBC Connecticut's Melissa Cooney has been digging into this story. She joins us live from Enfield with more. Hi, Melissa.
Yeah, guys, I mean, so many questions and not a lot of answers about this case. And as time marches on and the investigation continues, people in the Enfield community are looking for ways to honor that 12-year-old little girl and keep her story alive, like this memorial you're looking at on Elm Street.
We don't want the little girl to be forgotten.
That's why an Enfield neighbor has been growing this memorial since March, when a 12-year-old girl was found dead in her home just a few minutes down the road.
We just wanted to let the town know and let anybody that wants to witness the sign that we want to see somebody held accountable.
The girl's stepfather, former school bus driver Anthony Federline, was charged with sexually assaulting her before her death. Court documents reveal the girl ingested a lethal amount of diphenhydramine, also known as Benadryl. Prozac that she was not prescribed was also found in her system. But the Office of the Chief Medical Examiner tells us the girl's cause and manner of death are still pending. Multiple search warrants NBC Connecticut have obtained since April indicate that police are searching for evidence that connects Federline to her death, but he has not been charged with murder. Federline is back in court for his sexual assault charge on July 28th.
We want to know, why wasn't she protected? What really happened to her? And how can we protect other children, especially during the summer vacation, which is such a vulnerable time?
Community activist Elizabeth Protzman with Miss United Crown of America is hosting a vigil, partnering with faith and domestic violence organizations at the court that day to keep the girl's story and memory alive.
We will be there as many times as we need to for any other hearings. We truly believe that justice needs to be had for her and also for anyone else that's going through this.
Both Enfield Police and the Department of Children and Families tell us they are continuing to investigate the girl's death.
This could go on for many more months. This could even go on for a couple of years. I'm willing to keep the fence going as long as it takes. Try to keep her memory going, try to keep her memory alive.
And Federline is due back in court on July 28th, as you heard, for his sexual assault charge. He has not been charged with murder. Live in Enfield, Melissa Cooney, NBC Connecticut News.